Bitcoin Price Prediction 2022. Bitcoin wants no introduction, as this troubled cryptocurrency was the primary to interrupt down doors inside the sector. Over the past few years, the coin's rise has been exponential, paving the means for lots of altcoins and cryptocurrencies to carve out a distinct segment within the broader market. This guide can discuss our Bitcoin price prediction for each the short and long term, pertaining to the coin's utility, its future potential, and wherever you'll be able to invest in BTC nowadays, with low mercantilism fees. At the time of writing, the Bitcoin value nowadays is hovering around the $29,500 level, following a sustained downtrend over the past few months. To assist offer and summary of BTC's semi-permanent outlook, given below is our price forecast for the years ahead. Finish of 2022. Bitcoin's worth has fallen by around 50% within the past 2 months, driven by the market's prevailing risk-off sentiment. However, BTC has rejected the $20,000 level on the daily time frame, which means we might see a comeback to the $32,000 region if any optimistic momentum is sustained. End of 2023. Once the Bitcoin stock value begins a bull run, it will sustain itself for a amount of 10 tokes. Thus, assumptive the momentum continues, we might see BTC come back to the $69,000 level by the tip of 2023. Finish of 2025. Over the approaching years, though a number of the simplest altcoins might develop higher utility than Bitcoin, this cryptocurrency ought to retain its ranking thanks to its first mover status. Thanks to this, our Bitcoin forecast estimates the coin could reach a worth of $80,000 by the end of 2025. Finish of 2030. With the speed of crypto adoption showing no signs of slowing, there's scope for BTC to become additional wide accepted by merchants once it involves paying for product and services. Ought to this occur, there's without doubt scope that Bitcoin might surpass the $100,000 level and reach $120,000 by 2030. Bitcoin value history. BTC logo as the primary cryptocurrency to hit the mainstream, Bitcoin has de-escalated several walls within the house and created a pathway for alternative coins to flourish. The BTC was thought of because the best crypto for an extended time. Alternative coins have sprung up that possess appealing use cases that have taken the eye far from Bitcoin. However, several investors still look to shop for Bitcoin thanks to its worth potential and low volatility relative to other coins. In its most simple sense, Bitcoin could be a decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency that verifies transactions through blockchain technology. This technology is widely utilized in today's cryptocurrency market. However, back in 2009, once BTC was launched, the thought was alien to most industries. Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, has remained anonymous since Business Enterprise his noted white paper in 2008, during which he elaborated the specifics of however Bitcoin would function. BTC's first ever block was strip-mined in early 2009, and also the coin forthwith began learning traction from tech-savvy students and programmers. Nakamoto then handed over management of the code to a different developer in 2010 and has not been seen or detected from since. Bitcoin. The primary recorded BTC value was in July 2010, once the coin began mercantilism at $0.0008. Investors trying to shop for cryptocurrency and gain exposure to the present new technology helped drive Bitcoin's price over the following years, seeing BTC's price hit $250 in 2013. However, it wasn't till mid-2017 that Bitcoin very entered the mainstream. The worth of Bitcoin rose a staggering 2,300% throughout the latter 2017, breaching the $19,000 level. A sustained market followed this high, that saw Bitcoin lose around 85% of its value. Some intermittent optimistic spikes were dotted around throughout now frame, though the $64,000 movement began in late 2020. BTC value chart from September 2020 until April 2021, Bitcoin rose by over 540%, touch a high of $64,700. Once a brief pullback, the worth surged once more, reaching associate in nursing incomparable high of $68,789, in step with CoinMarketCap. However, this high was fleeting, and also the price of Bitcoin has fallen by over 70% at the time of writing in middle 2022. Before we tend to dive into our Bitcoin price prediction, here's a quick summary of the purpose mentioned therefore far. Satoshi Nakamoto revealed his Bitcoin whitepaper in October 2008. Bitcoin's ASCII text file code was formally discharged in January 2009. Bitcoin's first recorded price was $0.0008 in July 2010. Bitcoin hit a high of $19,000 in 2017. Following this high, BTC goes on associate in nursing extended bear run and loses 85% of its value. Bitcoin recovers and hits an incomparable high of $68,789 in November 2021.